is the coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations and cable television companies serving Mariposa, Merced, Madera, Fresno, Kings, and Tulare counties. Equipment that can warn you of a life-threatening emergency is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as severe weather, a 911 system failure, or other life-threatening condition, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Well then, that was the test on KMJ AM, so might as well turn you off. So yeah, that's it of the tests of today. Next test I will be catching is on tomorrow, the Arizona statewide test. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Bye now.